Hello everyone, this is Gopi. Welcome to my YouTube channel Power BI with Gops. Knowledge shared equal to knowledge square. In this video, we are going to see about Help Tooltip in Power BI Desktop. Let's get started. It is difficult to explain each and every metrics or visual in detail. As a result, you will require additional features such as Tooltip. Tooltip can be extremely useful. With the right guidance, a tooltip can help you understand things quickly and efficiently. Let me show you what I am talking about. Let me take on column chart. So let me add country and quantity. Let's do some modification in this visual. So we'll get rid of the titles. I don't want the titles on the axis. And let me turn off y axis as well. Let me enable the data labels. So here, let's correct the title and let's make it in a center aligned and bold. And then we don't want to show this much entire data. So let me apply some filter. So in this case, just will show only top five. So go to country and we'll apply the top end filter, and based on the quantity it is going to apply the filter. Okay, so this is the visual. Okay, so with this we are going to see how the help tooltip is going to help. So in this particular video we are going to discuss about the help tooltip. Okay, so this is the one visual in your report, and if the user see, they will wonder why it is only five countries is displayed. So if you want to convey why it is only five, and if you want to give some other context to this particular visual, if you want to explain something more about this visual, what you can do is you can always add on help. This one, the help tooltip. So this can you can achieve, you can use in some buttons also. This can achieve it through button also. Okay, you can add the button and help button. So this is the one way, but in Power BI desktop for each and every visual there is an inbuilt help option is there. So how to get this? So select the visual, go to visualization and go to format your visual under general. So you can get it through in search bar help. So here you will get help tooltip, or else go to general under header icons. Once you scroll down, here you can find the help tooltip. You need to enable this, and then you will get the options for help tooltip. So this is like a normal tooltip, the same options. So what is the type? If you want to show this as a visual, you can type here. Okay, so let me, there is a two ways you can add the tooltip as just a text. When someone hovers this, it will come in text format, or else you can add this as a report page as well. So I will show you one by one. So let me add a text. So here we used visual only top five, right? So just to mention, in this visual we are displaying top five countries based on quantity sold. And you can do the beautifications here. If you want to make it bold, you can do it, and background color. Once it is done, so just hover, it will display like this. So if you want to change the background or something, you can do it very easily. So simple, go back, help. So here we have options. So if you want to make change the background color, you can do that. So let me change the background to black and the font size to white. You can do however you want. You can display based on your convenient. Okay, so this is the one method. Instead of that, If you want to display some other text or some other page, that also you can do. As a normal tooltip, how we will do the normal tooltip, like that you can add that tooltip also to the help tooltip. So let me show you. For that, first we need to create a new page. Go to settings and change the settings to tooltip. Okay, and then in this scenario, what we displayed here, the same thing we are going to display in a separate card as a separate tooltip. So we'll go to new page what we created and we'll name it as tooltip help, and then just we'll add on text box and we'll display the same what we displayed here. We can align however we want. You can increase the size. Correct. And do the beautifications what and all you want. So based on your requirement or however you want, you can do that. And then again go back to the page, click on the visual, go back to format section and open the help. So instead of this text, you can change this to report page and then you will get the option to select the page. So this is a tooltip page, right, which we created. So we'll select this. That's it. So once you hover this, you will get this as a separate tooltip. So previous scenario, it will be in a text box and this is a separate tooltip page. So when you are publishing, you can hide this page as usual, right? So when you are using tooltips, obviously we'll hide that. So like that, you can do that. So in this way, we can help the users to learn the things or they can easily identify, they can easily get more information, more insights about the particular visual. So this is not only for this visual or if you want to use some entire help page, so that time also it will be very much useful. This is the way we can add some extra features. We can show some inbuilt features what Power BI desktop have. So we can show that to the clients or to the end users. Hope you like this video and learned something from this. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and support my channel. Thank you.